Dear students, I hope you are going well. Then we can start standard costing. In previous class, we have studied material cost variances. In this class, we can continue with the labor cost variances. Labor cost variance comprises 1. Labor rate variance. Labor rate variance. Second, labor efficiency variance. Third, idle variance, labor idle variance. Fourth, labor mix variance or gang variance. Labor mix variance or gang variance. Then labor yield variance. Yield variance. In this class, we can study what is labor cost variance. Labor cost variance. Labor cost variance may occur due to labor rate variance, labor efficiency variance, labor idle variance, labor mix variance, labor yield variance. In this class, we have to discuss basic part, that is labor rate variance, labor efficiency variance. Another 3 part we can study in next class. What is labor cost variance? I have taken a simple example for your understanding. You know, standard labor hours, for example, 5,000 labor hours. Actual labor hours worked 6,000. Standard labor rate rupees 5 per hour. Actual labor rate 6 per hour. How can find out labor cost variance? There is a formula for labor cost variance, that is standard labor cost minus actual labor cost. How? You know, standard labor hours 5,000, standard rate 5, that is equal to 25,000, that is standard labor cost. What is actual labor cost here? 6,000 labor hours worked, rate per hour 6, that comes 36,000. Difference is 11,000, that is 36,000 minus 25,000, 36,000, that is equal to 11,000. This is labor cost variance. In another step, we had to analyze what are the reasons of this labor cost variance. By looking this example, we know that is labor hours, standard labor hours 5,000, actual labor hours 6,000. So, there is a difference of 1,000 hours. So, labor cost variance occurred due to difference in standard hours and actual hours. So, that is difference is called labor efficiency variance. What is labor efficiency variance? There is a formula: standard hours minus actual labor hours into actual labor into standard rate, into standard rate, that is equal to 5. Here 5,000 standard hours minus 6,000 actual hours is equal to 1,000 into 5, that comes 5,000. Then we have to find out rate variance. How can understand rate variance? By taking a formula, that is standard rate minus actual rate into actual labor hours, that is equal to 6,000. So, standard rate 5, actual rate 6, that is equal to 1 into 6,000, that is 6,000. So, total labor cost variance already we have 11,000, that is occurred due to rate variance 6,000 plus efficiency variance 5,000, that is equal to 11,000. So, labor cost variance 11,000 occurred due to rate variance and efficiency variance. Then we can see at next class